Good morning. I'm Sharan from Venkateshwara College ECE department. I'm here to explain latest technological method in wireless cellular and communication. Introduction: what is wireless cellular communication? Wireless cellular communication is a method of transmitting and receiving data without the need for physical connections. It allows for the exchange of information through radio waves, enabling communication between devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers. Importance of wireless cellular communication. Wireless cellular communication plays a crucial role in our daily lives, enabling us to stay connected with one each other, convenience and flexibility to stay connected anytime, anywhere. Latest technological method. As technology continues to advance, new methods and technologies are being developed to enhance wireless cellular communication. Some of latest technological methods includes 5G technology, the fifth generation of wireless technology that offers faster speed, lower latency, and increased enabling automation and smart functionality. Virtual reality VR and uh, immersive technologies that rely on wireless communication deliver realistic and interactive experience. Benefit of latest technology method. The latest technological method in wireless cellular communication offers several benefits, including faster speed and lower latency, enabling real-time communication and seamless streaming. Increased capacity to support growing number of connected devices and applications. Improved efficiency and reliability of wireless networks. Conclusion: the latest technology method of wireless cellular communication are driving these advancement offer excitement opportunity for building individual and society as a whole. 5G technology. 5G technology is the latest advancement in wireless communication, offering higher speed, low latency, and greater capacity compared to previous generation. It has potential to revolutionize various industry and enable new application and services. Higher speed, higher speed and lower latency and greater capacity. Internet of Things (IoT). The Internet of Things (IoT) refers to the network of physical devices, vehicle appliances, and other objects embedded with the sensor software and connectivity, enabling them to connect and exchange data. IoT has revolutionary the way we interact with technology and has numerous applications. Wireless communication, smartphone, industrial automation, smart city, healthcare. Artificial intelligence (AI) in wireless communication. Artificial intelligence (AI) is the field of wireless communication by enabling intelligent decision making and automation. AI algorithms and technologies are being applied to various aspects of wireless communication systems, leading to numerous benefits. Intelligent resource allocation, interface management, predictive maintenance, network optimization. Edge computing. Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to the location where it is needed, which is typically at the edge of the network. In the context of wireless communication, edge computing plays a crucial role in improving latency, bandwidth, and overall network performance. Edge computation also helps in optimizing bandwidth usage by offloading computation and data storage tasks from the central cloud of edge devices. This reduces the amount of data that needs to be transmitted over the network, resulting in more efficient network utilization and reduced congestion. Overall, edge computing enhances the capabilities of wireless communication network by being data storage closer to end user, enabling faster and more efficient processing of data. Virtual reality VR and augmented reality. Virtual reality VR are rapidly evolving technologies that have the potential to revolutionize wireless communication. Virtual reality VR, augmented reality AR, cloud computing and wireless communication. Cloud computing has revolutionized the field of wireless communication, offering numerous advantages and opportunities for innovation. Scalability, flexibility, cost saving, reliability. 5G network scaling. 5G network scaling is a key feature of the fifth generation 5G wireless communication technologies. It allows for the creation of multiple virtual network on a single physical network infrastructure, each tailored to specified use case of applications. Network slicing enables the allocation of dedicated network resources, including bandwidth, latency, and security, to meet the unique requirement of different service and industries. Enhanced mobile bandwidth, EMBB, ultra reliable low latency communications, massive machine type communications. Wireless power transfer. Wireless power transfer is a method of transmitting electrical energy from a power source to an electrical load without the need of physical connection. Utilizes electromagnetic field to transfer power wireless, enabling convenient and efficient charge of device and eliminating the need for cables or plugs. This technology has various applications in wireless communication, offering benefits such as increased mobility, reduced clutter, and improved convenience. Wireless power transfer, wireless charging, wireless sensor network, electric vehicle. Conclusion. The latest technology method in wireless cellular communication: 5G technology, Internet of Things IoT, artificial intelligence, edge computing, virtual reality, cloud computing, blockchain. Thank you.